Beat 2 eggs. Add 60 gram of sugar. Baking powder 1 teaspoon to flour 140 grams. Sift the flour through a sieve. You can not use it. Mix. Add 180 grams curd. Mix. Rub your hands in flour. Take the dough with a teaspoon and form a ball. Lay out on a cutting board. Pour oil into a saucepan so that the level is higher than the size of the balls. Wait until it warms up, but not very hard. Test with a small piece of dough. Lay out dough balls. Flip after 2-4 minutes, although they do turn over. Prepare a plate or cutting board with paper towels to soak up any remaining oil. Lay out the balls. Put the next batch of the balls in the saucepan. Our donuts are ready. Look how they turned out inside. You can sprinkle with powdered sugar or use condensed milk or jam. Enjoy your meal. Stay with me. Bye bye.